Welcome back to my channel. This is Trish and this is my tricky lifestyle. First of all, I would like to thank for all my viewers who have given me more support. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. Today we are going to make egg curry. Without further delay, shall we go? Add 3 tablespoons coconut oil and then 1 piece of cinnamon with 1 teaspoon mustard seed and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Then add 1 big onion sliced with little curry leaves. And saute well. Let the onion turn into golden brown. Now you can see the onion has turned golden. Then you can add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3-4 red chilies slitted and saute. Immediately add 10 pieces of garlic which is finely chopped with 2 tomatoes and 4 green chilies. Let it get cooked a bit. The tomato should be good smashing like tendency. Let it get cooked for 2 minutes of saute. Okay, now you can see the tomato is a little bit cooked. Now you can add 3 tablespoons chili powder, 4 tablespoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now saute this masala well in the oil until well mixed. Add little water and let the masala get cooked. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see the oil has arisen very well. It has come out so good. So it shows that the masala is well cooked. At this stage, add 5 or 6 goraka and 3 teaspoons salt. Take egg which is fully boiled and it is slitted on top and on the bottom. Take these eggs fully boiled and deshelled and now you can add it with the curry. With 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut milk. When 1 hard boil comes, you can switch off the stove and the egg curry will be ready to serve. Okay, now the curry is ready. After a good boil, you can add a bunch of coriander leaves and switch off the stove. Now the curry is ready to serve. You can have this with white rice. Okay, today we saw how to make a good egg curry very easily and very quickly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and turn on the notifications. Until then, lots of love from me to you. I'll see you soon in my next videos. Until then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.